can't walk anymore. No, I am gonna conserve energy. I don't get short of breath. Listen to this music. Jamaican reggae on the top of this snowy mountain. They're very happy with this snow. There we go. Copper Mountain tubing. Cool. Hope you can see it snowing. Cool. Say hi, y'all.
Hello.
Copper Mountain.
Tuber.
Yeah. Tell me what you want me to do.
I want you to sit down, putting your feet towards him, and you're going to hold on to his feet.
I'm going to hold on to his feet?
You have your feet. Get over here. There you go.
Right.
That works. My center
Put your feet towards him.
Spin me, baby.
Perfect.
Can't move in this.
Are we going straight down or are we spinning?
Straight down for right now. We just need a Taco Bell.
Lane 3.
Oh.
Enjoy.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
bud.
I can't see. I can't. This is good. Oh, that was fun. Yeah. Now getting up is going to be the hard part. Yeah, roll out. 1, 2, 3. Roll out. That was fun. Cannot move in these snowsuits.
Put your feet right in his armpit.
Very good. My legs aren't long enough.
I got him.
Now I can see. First one I couldn't see.
Shoes backwards is good.
He's got long legs. Good one. Cheers, Sue.
As fast as you want to pull us, that's good. Just don't hurt your back. I'm pretty fat. Thank you. Woo!
Cool. I like this one.
Woo! Alright, this is fast.
Nice. Very cool. Nice. Oh, that was good. Yeah, rolling out is cool.
Now, how are we going to do this with skis on? We don't know. Did you get a lot of spray?
Boom. My legs aren't long enough.
Perfect.
I got him.
Now I can see. First one I couldn't see.
All right, well,
Shoes backwards is good.
How drums it? Where's feet?
Yeah, he's got long legs. There's one. There's two.
94?
As fast as you want to pull it, that's good. Just don't hurt your back. Pretty fast.
Yeehaw! Oh, this is cool. I like this a lot. Nice. Ah, that was good.
Spin this way. All right, we're good. Thank you. I love this. Wow, we're going fast. Whoa. Wow, how's the GoPro looking? Pretty straight this time, huh? Good job, everyone. Wow, look how far we've gone. Flounder. Perfect, thank you. Whoa, this is cool. This is much better. Woo! Whoa! Much better. I like this one. This is it. Oh, much better. How's the GoPro? Is it up or down?